How's it going, everyone? It's a beautiful Friday, the 23rd of December. Last night we got some crazy snow blizzards such as strong winds and stuff. And currently on Facebook, the whole highway is blowed up with vehicles stuck on the highway in the medium and all that stuff. So we're gonna head north from Anchorage, Alaska. I got myself a 40-pack case of water. We're gonna hand them out to people that are stuck, that can't get unstuck, and then we're gonna try to help as many people or as many cars safely as possible if it is on the highway. So we're gonna try to do it as safely as possible. I'm gonna take you guys along with us. Let's go check it out. Current time is roughly 10 a.m. Beautiful daylight already. We got about 4 or 5 hours of daylight. If we can help them, we'll help them. If we can't, we can at least provide them with some water. Most of these folks are just commuting from the Valley, Wasilla, Palmer area into Anchorage for work, or vice versa, heading north, and they all got stuck. So let's go check it out and see how it is. I got my GoPro here and my GoPro on the dash cam, and we'll see what happens. So right as we get out of Muldoon area, Anchorage, looks pretty good. Traffic doesn't look bad. There's not a lot of snow drift, but I think the main issue is way up in Palmer area, which is about 20 minutes north of here. So we'll keep trekking and we'll see how far we get up. We're not gonna go up too far. We'll probably get up to like the flats of Oakland, which is about another 15 minutes out. And then if there's nothing, we'll go ahead and turn back to Anchorage. Looks like it's pretty smooth right now though. Last year when we had one of these snow blizzards, these high wind, freezing wind, the Valley. When I say the Valley, I'm referring to Wasilla, Palmer area. Up in the Valley, there was a lot of damage because that area, they get so much wind when the wind hits. And there was a lot of damage from flip structure, things flying around, even some vehicle flipped over, and it's pretty crazy. Last year was pretty bad, freezing pipes, all that crazy stuff. So hopefully this blizzard didn't cause too much damage as far as home structures and property damage. So I've been traveling for the last 25 minutes, and honestly guys, this highway is in great shape. It doesn't look too bad, and there hasn't been any vehicle in distress. We are coming to the flats. We call it the flats, the Palmer A flats. Beautiful flatlands, and that's where it gets the most wind and the most snow drift. So hopefully we see something there. If we don't see anything there, then I'm just gonna head into the town of Palmer, run some errands real quick, and then make a U-turn back to Anchorage. But here we come. This is the Palmer this is the flats. We call the flats, the Palmer flats. Oh, there's vehicle in distress right here. Wow! Right into the storm, guys. Wow! The Land Cruiser is shaking right now. Holy smoke! This is the blizzard. This is the blizzard. Holy smoke! I can't see nothing. Oh, whiteout condition. Whiteout. Oh snap. Oh snap. We are in a whiteout condition, guys. Whiteout condition. Whoa. Whoa. That is dangerous. Holy smoke. Holy smoke. That's crazy. Whoa, whiteout condition. We are in, that's crazy. It just turned into a complete blizzard. Wow. Holy smoke. Holy smoke. Blizzard. Palmer Hay Flats, guys. Glen Highway, Palmer Hay Flats, completely backed up north, heading southbound. Southbound, completely backed up. Holy smoke. Whoa, this is nuts. So if you guys are traveling on the northern, if you guys are traveling on the Glen Highway is in great condition from the Muldoon exit, but right as soon as you get to the Palmer Hay Flats, it's completely blizzard. Snow, whiteout blizzard right now. The southbound Glen on the Palmer Hay Flats is completely blocked off. They got a state trooper. They're trying to remove some vehicle that's blocking the roads. So be very, very careful. This is crazy. I'm only doing 35 miles per hour with the hazard lights. 35 miles per hour with hazard lights with a semi truck behind me. Yeah, avoid the Palmer Hay Flats. It gets super crazy right here. This is nuts. I was on the Glen Highway coming up from Muldoon, and it was good sailing all the way until the Palmer Hay Flats, and all of a sudden, kaboom! Crazy snow blizzard. The winds is crazy here. It's pushing my Land Cruiser, and my Land Cruiser weighs about 6,000 pounds. There's a vehicle in distress right here. Wow, they're stuck too. Damn, I wonder if I can pull them out safely. Wow, there's nobody in there though. That's a distressed vehicle right there. Complete whiteout. This is crazy. How did that car turn around like that? Complete whiteout, guys. Not complete whiteout, but snow blizzard and everything's here. That's crazy. The wind is really strong right now. There's a state trooper right there on the left, on the other side. That's not a state trooper, that's one of the regular vehicles. There's a tow truck right there coming in hot. Wow. Lots of vehicles that's in the distress lane. The wind is blowing crazy, man. Woo! Share this video with everyone that's commuting. Share the video. Warning, guys, don't come up on the Glen Highway. The Glen Highway is pretty much safe, but don't come up to the Palmer Hay Flats. Avoid the Palmer Hay Flats, whether you're coming up north or south. It's very strong here. We gotta get on Trunk Road and see what's going on Trunk. Whoa, this is scary but crazy though. Oh, here's the blizzard! Woo! There's the blizzard! Whoa! Oh my gosh, wind is blowing everywhere. Whoa, holy smoke, my hood! The wind is like almost trying to lift my hood up. Holy smoke. This is nuts, this is too crazy. There's a vehicle right there, truck stuck. Holy smoke, there's a big semi truck right there stuck too. Wow. Damn. He's really stuck. Holy smoke. I want to stop and help, but it's kind of dangerous right now. State trooper back there. All right, I'm gonna exit on I'm gonna exit on Trunk Road. Exit Trunk Road right here. See what's up. Hold on. Let's go up north. Let's keep going north. There's a box truck right there stuck. I don't know how those box trucks end up in there, but man. It's crazy, man. Crazy. snow drift, snow drift. Snow drift, holy smoke. The snow drift on the road is really, really crazy. It can throw you off your lane. So look at the small road. The small road on that side is pretty much everyone's stuck over there. Let's try to get over there and help those guys out. Wow. Take it really slow, guys. 30 miles an hour. Don't go anything faster. Completely white out. Not white out, but man. Worse up at the hill by the dealership and Lowe's. All right, I'm gonna check that out. We're gonna stay live as long as we can, so you guys can stay updated. So feel free to share this video for anyone that needs an update on the Glen Highway. And again, quick update, guys. From the Muldoon exit on the Glen Highway, it's completely good until you get to the Palmer Hay Flats. So if you guys are traveling in between there from Eagle River, Chugach, Peters Creek, you're good. But as soon as you get to the Palmer Hay Flats, it's just like somebody just flipped the switch, and it's completely mayhem out here, guys. Palmer, from the Palmer Hay Flats up to where we're at right now, coming up to Wasilla, super, super windy, blowing snows, blowing everywhere. It is nuts, 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 nuts. Hopefully the building don't get too damaged like last year's windstorm. Hazard lights are on, hazard lights. We got the rigid lights, amber lights are on too as well. Be very, very careful. We're gonna try to help as many people as we can safely. So we'll try to look for any vehicle in distress. Those vehicles way back there, I definitely wanted to help them, but they're way, way too dangerous. So here's a snow drift right here. You can see that? All the snow drift on the highway. All right, visibility is clean now. Visibility is much more cleaner here, and we'll see what happens. The state trooper told us to stay home in Big Lake. Yep, that's crazy. Oh man, I don't know what I got myself into. Might have been a nasty idea to come up north right now. Oh shoot. Oh, here comes the wind right there. Woo! Yeah, it's getting stronger right here. The wind's getting stronger. This whole section of the highway, it's known for this because of the terrain and stuff. There's not a lot of big trees. It's all flat lands. Man, it is nasty out here. Lots of vehicle stuff. Man. Hazard lights are on right now. It's way too scary. Palmer needs help. So many cars in the ditch on the old Glen Palmer side. All right, I'll check that out. Alicia, I'll check that out. I'll head that way in a bit, right? Alicia, stay tuned. All right, we're coming up to the Lowe's in the area right here. Oh, snap. Here comes the blizzard. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Whoa, 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 whoa. The snow drift is what's crazy. There's a snow drift on the lanes, on the roads, so you gotta watch out for that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can't see right here. Oh, smoke. Guys, like I said, if you guys don't have to travel, stay away from this area. I'm surprised people are still getting coffee at the Espresso. Stay away from the Palmer Hay Flats up to Wasilla right here. It is wild. Alright, see, I can take I'm gonna take the back roads. I'm gonna take the Palmer Wasilla Highway back to Palmer, and then we can avoid the whole traffic jam up there. Yeah, let's do that. So let's see. We have to go around Palmer Wasilla Highway. Yep, I know where to go there. All right. So right now we're in the town of Wasilla. Doesn't look too bad right here now. There's still lots of wind drifts and stuff. A lot the box truck. Looks like they all parked right now. They're like, I'm not traveling right now. So we're in the town of Wasilla. It gets a lot of blizzard, snowstorm out here too as well. Snow's blowing. You guys can see on the road. You guys can probably hear it too. Here it is. Blowing up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got something on top of my roof. I need to take it off. Or else it might blow up and stuff. The wind is so strong, it's like rocking my Land Cruiser. Literally, my vehicle is like rocking back and forth like as if somebody was outside pushing it. It's nuts. Probably 50 miles per hour winds right now. I don't know if I want to get out. It's so chilly. Look at that windmill on the left hand just spinning, man. Oh my goodness. Broadcasting live from Wasilla, Alaska. Current time 10:44 for the record. It is blowing out here, guys. Blizzard. Slow down, guys. Slow down for the tow trucks and everyone. Alright, we're gonna go back to the Palmer-Wasilla highway and take the back routes to Palmer. And lots of vehicle at the shopping center. Crazy. Look at all the winds. Winds and snow drift. Everyone's like on standby. A lot of people that aren't like on the road, they're all like just parked at business. Jeez, this is nuts. Crazy, crazy. Alright, we're on the Palmer-Wasilla highway. Alright, I gotta pull over. I got something on top of my roof rack that I strapped it down, but I didn't strap it down good, so I gotta take it out because I don't want that thing flying and hitting somebody. But there's so much wind right now, I'm gonna try to do my best to get it off. So stand by for a second, guys. Let me hop onto the top of my roof here. Holy smoke, it's so chilly. Wow, the wind chill is so freezing. All right, we're good, we're good. Okay. It's chilly, but it's not, it's definitely chilly, but stay out there long enough and you'll be freezing for sure. Oh, yeah. Just so you guys know, man, this is pretty normal for the valley. They always get this one windstorm, and it always happens around this time of the year, December, January, February, and it gets pretty nasty out here. It's a Friday too. Christmas Eve is tomorrow, and people are probably trying to do their last minute shopping and stuff. Broadcasting live, Wasilla, Alaska. If you guys are just tuning in, we were on the Glen Highway. Walked right into a snow blizzard at the Palmer Hay Flats. Southbound traffic is currently backed up on standby as AST is removing some vehicles off the ditch. That's a nice dump truck. If you guys are traveling, just be careful. Coming up, man, take it slow. Two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, definitely stay home, man. Not worth coming out. too dangerous, and you don't want to pay that recovery bill. We're gonna take the Palmer-Wasilla Highway back to Palmer. We're gonna go check out Palmer and see how it is. Palmer is already known for, it's also known for a lot of issues too, because they have so much flat land. Uh-oh, there goes the wind. Look at this wind, guys. Look at this visibility right now. Oh, it is so windy. This is even worse, man. What is the temperature? I don't know what the temperature is right now. If you guys live around this area of Palmer-Wasilla, I highly recommend you guys get your chainsaw ready. Chainsaw, strap down anything that might fly away. Get your generator ready, because I think tonight's gonna be a crazy snowstorm or snow blizzard. There might be trees falling down and stuff, power outage and stuff like that. So definitely be prepared ahead of time. That's what I think is going to happen tonight. This snow blizzard is supposed to last throughout the night until 8 p.m. or something like that. Man, I can't see what's up no more. Uh-oh, zero visibility, guys, zero visibility. Holy smoke. Tire shop closed down today. They're like, no, we're not opening. Uh-oh. Woo! Try the Oakland and Palmer. That's where it's just really rough. That's where I'm heading to. I'm gonna take the Oakland. I'm gonna try to get a Palmer. If I can get back into Palmer and past the state fair, I can get back on the Glen Highway, and I'll go ahead and bypass all that traffic jam. But we're gonna have to survive this first. So many vehicles that don't have their headlights on. Turn on your headlights, man. Turn on your headlights. Dangerous, dangerous. Turn on the headlights. If you guys are driving out right now in this crazy weather, turn on your headlights. It's so dangerous. Look at that. We can't see nothing right now. Holy smoke. Trying to make it to Palmer right now. We're gonna try to tail these guys. Follow the tail of these vehicles. Super scared to be driving a box truck right now. There's a U-Haul box truck right in front of this vehicle, and I've seen some of those vehicles flipped over before during these high winds. So if you got like a box truck, or if you're towing like a trailer or something like that, avoid this kind of weather. Strong winds, guys, strong winds. winter tornado right now. We're about 10 minutes away from Palmer. We'll take some shelter in Palmer. Woo! Crazy, crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the street poles. You guys see the street poles all shaking? Ding, ding. This wind is crazy. It'd be nice if there's some warmth. If it was like warm and stuff, all this snow would be melted. Too. We're gonna go help that vehicle right there. Looks like they're stuck. Holy smoke. Bad road. So there's a small vehicle over here, they're stuck. the wind stays strong. Oh, oh, woo. Nobody's in the vehicle. Holy smoke, that wind is blowing at us. Nobody's in the vehicle, so can't help them. A lot of people left their vehicle abandoned, and it's like blocking the road. We just got to back to bust a U-turn. This is one of the smaller roads, so it's getting piled up with snow right now. Oh, nice Ford Fusion. Yeah. Just turn back. That wind was strong. Got snow blowing right at your face. wrong route. Shoot. Oakland was what I needed. Oh, you're stuck in traffic now. Send my truck down.